Hi, today we'll be looking at one of the new features that has been introduced by Autocount. So in this new release, Autocount has already enabled a WhatsApp feature. This means accounts department can actually send documents such as quotation, invoice, credit notes via WhatsApp to your clients. So to set this up, first of all, you have to make sure that you are currently running on version 2.0, revision 153 at least. Alright, so to set this up, we need to come here to AR, come to debtor maintenance, select your debtor. Let's say we have one now, we just press edit. Here now we have one called the mobile number, so we can actually put in the number. We can click here +60 12 307394. Alright, so next time we just press save. Okay, so at this moment the feature only allows us to actually save one number, and you can actually send the WhatsApp invoice or DO to only that particular number. However, you can actually manually change it yourself, or you can actually forward the message to another person if needed to. Alright, so let's say now we want to create an invoice. So let's say invoice, select my customer ABC, select item, say today I want to sell pants, I want to sell 1 unit at $100. So once we're done, just press save and preview. Select the invoice format that you want. So let's say we just like this invoice format. Okay, so in this feature now you can actually see there is a WhatsApp message. Click here, WhatsApp. Alright, so straight away the number will actually appear here. If you want to type any additional description, you can actually put it down here. Okay, so if you are using a web browser WhatsApp application, you must use web browser. If you are using a app like myself, we will uncheck this. Alright, so once we're done, we just press send. Okay, open this. Okay, so you can see the information will be sent here. Click send. So if you want to download the PDF, all we just need to do is we can click here. You actually save it as a PDF. You can open this up. You can actually see your invoice format. Alright. Okay, so we hope that you find this feature useful. If you have any questions about this new update, let us know. Contact us. Also, do like and subscribe to get notified when we release new contents in the future. Thank you.